My name is Ogun State.
Okay, how old are you?
I'm 26 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from Abeokuta.
Abeokuta.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what do you do what do you do? What is your what handwork do you have? What do you do? Are you a student? What do you do?
No, I'm a barbing salon. I learn barbing salon.
Okay. So why are you here now? Why were you arrested?
So we steal the vehicle, we steal the motor at Papa.
Where is Papa?
At this side of Ikoro.
In what state?
At Ogun State.
So when were you arrested? Which time? When they arrest you? Which day they arrest you?
Now I'm using like 1 month and like 5 days here now. So they arrest me at Songo.
Which time?
As in, I done something 8:30 in the night.
What day?
I forget the date, but I reached 1 month and like 6 days here now.
Why did they arrest you? Why?
So as my buyer that called me that I should come and collect money from him at Songwater. So when I reached there, so they arrest me. Then police, like 5 police, come hold me. They can't arrest me, so they can't carry me go to Songwater station.
What do you do when they arrest you?
We steal vehicle. So we are 4 in number. So me and my guy, our guy is Ogidon, with Hakim, with Ibrahim Mkaila. So I'm the 4th person. As we are 4 in number, sha. But that our guy don't run. They don't see that our guy cash. That one don't run.
So what about the rest? Your rest colleague?
They are here now with the 2 buyers. They are here.
Who are you in the group? Are you the leader or you are just who are you? What is the position?
That Ogidon is the leader. That was senior leader is Ogidon. So at that one we have run. We have no cash down.
Okay. When they arrest you, what did they say you do?
So they told me that am I the one that sold motor for Ibrahim Sonny, and I say yes. So they say as in at the motor, at where do you see the motor? I told them everything that we go and steal the motor.
From where? Where did you see the motor from?
As that guy that carry us go that area, that Ogidon, because as that Ogidon know that area, it's not that carry us go the premises to go and steal the motor.
What date? What time? What date did you steal the motor?
As I can't remember the date, but it's around something 2 o'clock. Go steal the motor, around something midnight.
Okay. Now,
tell us what happened that day. How that take
still land?
Okay. So I should reach there. So we meet at toll gate. Me and that Ogidon and my 2 guys. So from toll gate we carry bike go to Papa. So from Papa we went to one completed building house. So we stayed there. And something too, so we can't come outside and something too, so we can't go to the house, we can't enter the house. So as we reach the house, is that Ogidon that senior, as in down is our boss. So down have one small gun like this, local pistol. So me and that my guy hold stick and call class. So as we reach there, so at that boss can tell us that we should kick the door. So when we kick the door, so it's one that first enter and point the man the gun that we don't as in that we don't have anything to come and do them. That's the key vehicle that we want to collect, and the man give us the key and we come outside inside the compound and we start the motor and we move.
Okay. How will they get information? Say the man compound, the address and the car. How will they get information?
Yes, it's that our boss that as in that our boss know the location, you know everything about the area.
The boss get person when they call and they give them information.
No, I don't want to know that area. That Ogidon Gongo is our senior, and that one is our leader. So you know the area, you know everything about the street, you know the house. Normal, as the one that know the house that we go and steal the vehicle.
So Ogidon now they look for work.
Yes, now they look of yes.
Work now you go
call us, yes.
So now you have been what question did you want to ask?
How long has this been going on?
How long have you been doing how long have you been snatching cars? Since how many years now?
I just joined the guy at like 2 months now.
2 months?
Yes.
Well, you say you are a barber, so why did you leave barbering to go and start doing robbery?
As the guy, as in the guy, is one as one of my friends that know the guy. So as that my guy Hakim, so you know that introduced me to the guy. So that Hakim, so it's not that introduced me to the Ogidon. That Ogidon told him so thing. She I will follow them so thing. She I don't need money. I told them say, oh yeah, no problem, I'll follow them because I need money. I want to open my own shop. So and I followed them to go and steal the car. First one's car we say first thing na Pontiac. Yes, Pontiac.
Okay. How much you sell am?
That Pontiac, that Sonny buy the Pontiac for madam my boss and 600,000, and I collect 100,000 inside the first car that first go and steal. I collect 100,000 inside.
Okay. What about the second? How many operation you don't do after that first car where is Pontiac where is steal?
The second operation that we go is the Corolla. So that Corolla is the one that they arrest us.
When you steal the Corolla, where?
At that same Papa Road, is there that we steal the Corolla.
Which time?
Around something 2 o'clock. Now you steal the Corolla.
What date?
The date, I can't remember the date, but it's as in like 2 months to this time, sha. Never take.
Okay, so as I steal the Corolla, waiting I can't do with the Corolla.
So as we reach the house, so as we enter the compound, as we break their door and enter, so we saw like 4 guys there, Yahoo guys, sha. So the guy know everything about the street, about the location. It's the guy that carry us go to the street. So as we enter the house, as we bust the door, enter. So Adam guy point them the gun that they should cooperate with us. That if they cooperate, they are not going to do them anything. So we collect 5 phones for their hand, and we collect their car key for their hand, and we start motor and we go and we leave them.
So what I do as now collect now collect 5 phones also.
Yes.
So what did you do with these 5 phones?
I sold it for the same buyer. The buyer that buy the motor is the one that buy the phone from us.
How much did you sell the motor?
The motor is selling at 850.
850. How much did you?
150. I collect 150 inside the second one, inside that Corolla that they arrest us. I collect 150 inside.
Okay. What about the phones?
Is that guy that collect the money for phone? Is that guy that collect the money?
That is Ogidon.
That is Ogidon. But you give them my guy to their own money. Them that my 2 guys, them say collect their own money separate.
So what do you get from as you said the phone? What do they give you from inside?
As the car and the phone, all the money that the guy give me is 150 out of the money.
Okay. You made mention that you guys operate with weapons. Which weapons did you operate with? That
guy again that local pistol, and we have cutlass and stick that we used to use.
So how did your guy get the pistol?
I don't know, because that my friend that knows that guy, that Akimola Dejo, so it's the one that know the Ogidon. I don't know that Ogidon, so it's the one that introduced me to that Ogidon.
So now that you left you say you're looking for money to go and set up your own barbing salon.
Yes.
You're a barber.
I'm barber.
So the first money you realized, why didn't you put it into your barbing? Why didn't you sink the money into establishing your barbing salon?
The first money that I collect, so I buy something for my mother, so and I use the minimum to do something for myself.
What did you buy for your mother?
I buy mother food stuff and some drugs, sir, and I give her money.
So what did you buy for yourself?
I buy clothes and I give my wife some money.
Okay, you are married?
Yes, I'm married.
Okay. Is your wife aware that you are also going to snatch car?
No, I don't know. Maybe as I just done as the guy just doing the guy, and I never reached 2 months that we start the job with the guy. So my don't know that maybe I'm doing bad work like that. I don't know that I'm doing something like that.
But you used to go out in the night. Doesn't she used to see you as you are going out?
As I just start the work, never think that I start the work. So it doesn't know maybe I went out to go and do things. I just told her that I'm going to club that. That me and my friend are going to club that I want to go and flex. That's what I told her that day.
Okay.
And that will be done. It's 2 operations that I follow him go now.
Okay. Any question before I Okay. Now that you have been arrested, you know that car snatching is a crime in Nigeria, or you don't know?
I know.
You know that car snatching is a crime, and you have been arrested by the police. How do you feel now?
No, I don't feel good. I feel bad now.
Okay. what is your advice to people like you, people who are who are also into car snatching, who are also doing robbery?
I've ever asked them that as it's not a good job, there's no do something like that. It's a bad job. So there's no try to do. As people that are doing it before, they should stop doing it, because if they catch them, as waiting day there is not good at all.
If you are given a second chance now,
So,
they release you now,
so
what would you do?
if they release me now, and I'll go back to my job, to my barber. I won't do anything like that again in my life until I die.